Hi viewers, today we will learn the uses of a and an in a sentence and also before a word. So the uses of a, that we can use a before consonants, and consonants are B, C, D, F, etc. up to Z. So before these consonants we can use a, and the uses of an. Before vowels we can use an, and vowels are A, E, I, O and U. So what is the meaning of a and an? A and an means one. It means a means one and an means also one thing. Then let us know about the uses of a before a word. In which way we can use a before a word? Here I have written some words, and here first word is cat. So C-A-T, cat. And what is the first letter of the word? C, cat, C. So C is the consonant, we all know that. So before this consonant we can use a. We can say it a cat, a deer. It means one cat, one deer. Okay, because a means one. So deer, in the word deer, D is the consonant. We can use here a. Like this, lead, a lead. Hill, a hill. Monkey, a monkey, etc. Because all these consonants in this word, the first letter is consonant. Okay, so use of a in a sentence. Here there are some sentences, and first sentence is this is a bird, because B is the consonant. Then that is a tree. I am a boy or a girl, because boy, in the word boy, B is the consonant. Also girl, G is the consonant. This is a pen. Here P is the consonant, so we can use here a. Second one is use of an. I have also written some words, and let us see the uses of an. Here the first word is ant, A-N-T, ant, and we know that A is the vowel. So before vowel we can use an ant, an eagle, because eagle, in the word eagle, E is the vowel. So we can use an eagle, an ice, an oar, an umbrella. In these words, the first letter of this word is consonant, vowel. So we can use before vowel we can use an. Then we can see more uses of an in a sentence. In which way? Like this, it is an egg, this is an urn, and that is an igloo, because all these words starting with the vowels. Okay, then I have prepared a worksheet for children. They can thorough about the uses of a and an in this worksheet. So I have a question here, that use a or an in these sentences. Here is a sentence. That first sentence is he is gas teller, and I have already written a and an both in the sentence. Both in the sentence, but you have to choose only one which is right. And you have to see the word. What is the word? Is he is gas teller. Teller, T is the consonant here, so we can use here he is a teller. And there is a small village, because small village, S is the consonant, and that is an elephant. E is the vowel, so we can use here an elephant. This is an auto, because here A is the vowel. Okay, and my second question is cross the wrong word. Also I have written some sentences, and I have given two words, that a and an, for each sentences, but you have to cross the wrong word, and which is right you have to write here. Okay, so first sentence is that is dash x. A is the vowel, so A is wrong and an is the right answer. So you have to fill up that an, that is an X. Second one is this is dash banana, because B is the consonant, so you know before consonant we use A. So this is a banana. It is a carrot. There is a, not a, an ostrich. There is an ostrich, because A is the wrong answer and an is the right answer, because O is the vowel. Third one is say the name of these pictures and write A or an. It is very interesting for all children, because there are some pictures they have to see and they have to identify the picture and say what is the picture is saying. What is the picture? First picture is an igloo. So igloo, I is the vowel, so you have to write here an, like this. There is a fruit like papaya. P is the consonant, so you have to write A here. Then ball, B is the consonant, so you have to write A here. Then last one is on, U-R-N, on, so U is the vowel and you have to write here an, on. Okay, so that's all about the uses of A and an in a sentence and also before a word. That's all. If you have not subscribed my channel, please today you will subscribe my channel, so that you can get more videos about English subject.